Greetings, Vanakkam. You're meeting after a long period. This is your Akash. This kind of difficult situation we are facing in this pandemic. Yeah, we will overcome one day. So, all we need to do is stay at home, stay safe. If you're eligible, get the vaccines as soon as possible. We will overcome this pandemic. Let keep your eye on your mental health as well as your we are doing it the physical way. So I'm here with a review of a book. I'm a cricket lover, I'm crazy about cricket as much as Indians, like the others. Yeah, I found a book named The Commonwealth of Cricket by Ramachandra Guha. It's really fantastic to read. If you're a cricket fan to know about the history, I think this is the better way to do that. Let me introduce the author first to you. Ramachandra Guha was a historian who mainly lived his part at Bengaluru, Karnataka. Yeah, he's also a crazy cricket fan who loves about cricket, who want to know the history, who will telling the history in this book. So I think this is great. In this book, he's starting from his own teammates, his own family. This book, he makes me to travel around the world and around India to many places and to many venues where he see cricket, where he saw cricket and where he played cricket, and where he had met many legends around the world, where he had time to spoke to them. Yeah, it's really fantastic to imagine these places. So I think yeah, it's definitely he makes you to travel along the world. It's quite a bit different from others. And also he makes you to meet many people, many cricketers as you want. He makes you to meet the domestic ones and the legends. Yeah, he shared his experience of watching them or meeting them at the ground or at some places. That will also brings you joy, I think, to the cricket fan in you who admired of the legends in the past, in the present and future. So yeah, he had done it well. I want to bring you some memories of reading this book. I have read this book I think a few minutes ago. Yeah, so I found some really moments. I found some really crucial moments and curious moments in this book. The first moment I want to share is in 1974 semi-final in Ranji Trophy. The revolution happened by Ganguly. No, not by the Ganguly who who led the India in the 90s and 95s. No, not the captain Ganguly, not Dada from Kolkata. He's a Ganguly who had umpired in that semi-final between Karnataka and Bombay. We all know in that time Bombay is dominating the whole Indian domestic circuit, right? There are players from Bombay of 9 and 10 who are playing for the national team in the same playing level. So that's kind of a Bombay era, right? In the semi-final, GR Vishwanath is the middle to bat after the first wicket had fell down. He was in plumb of the in front of the wicket, but this umpire Ganguly didn't raise his hand because he wanted to see the batting of Vishwanath. So he went on to score 100 in that match, and Karnataka won that game and that Ranji Trophy season also. That broke down the streak of Bombay. So that brings confidence to the other teams. Yes, we can also defeat Bombay. And Tamil Nadu won a season, West Bengal, Saurashtra, the other minor teams in India had won some domestic season. So that one decision from Ganguly had given a revolution to Indian cricket, like Dada had given in his time. Yeah, that was a really nice story narrated by the author. And the second one was his advice. Not an advice, his request to Rahul Dravid to stay at the slips where he's excelled. rather than standing in the mid-on to give advice to the bowler. So please don't do that. Please stay at the slips where you're good at, where we enjoy you fielding. So that was a nice moment. And he had appreciated or narrated some of the stories of great Pakistan players, Zagir Abbas, Saqlain Mustaq, Muhammad, and Javid Miandad, and many Wasim Akram. So he had described these legends also in his own manner. And yeah, every Indian will be the fan of Sachin, right? Even though his life was in Bangalore, Karnataka. Yeah, he also likes Sachin, and he also has a separate chapter for Sachin in the name of citing the Sachin, so sightings of Sachin. So in this book, he had mentioned many players from Karnataka: Rahul Dravid, Javagal Srinath, Anil Kumble as a captain. So that's also a good story to read. Anil Kumble as a captain. Javagal Srinath, G.R. Vishwanath, we already spoke. So there's a lot of stories to be read. Yeah, I think this is if you're a true cricket fan and don't have the reading of habit, I think you have to start from this book, and this book will give you the momentum to go back to make into the habit of reading, I think. So if you have reading habit and you're a true cricket fan and are crazy about cricket and want to know about the history of the game, I think you have to read that. I loved it. And also wishing you to read this book, and mention in the comments how does you feel about this book. I think I loved it. Thanks to the author Ramachandra Guha sir for giving this wonderful material to enjoy. So thank you for listening. We'll come back with another book. Thank you.